going on, guys? It's Tom from Dude's Gourmet, and today we're making one of my favorite appetizers ever, the Tuna Sashimi Pizza. You can find this in pretty much every one of your local Japanese restaurants or sushi spots, but I think we can make it a little better. We're gonna top ours off with some fresh guacamole, razor thin red onions, seeded jalapenos, thinly sliced scallions, black olives, and fresh picked cilantro. First, we need to make a sauce. To make this sauce, we just need 3 equal parts. 1 part sesame oil, sriracha, and mayo. And shake that bad boy up, and boom, now you got spicy mayo. The most important part of this dish is the tuna. Make sure you're getting sushi grade tuna. And if you're worried about the quality, just call my friends at Fish Foodies. They always have the best, and they ship right to your door. I mean, look at this stuff. This stuff is beautiful. You can eat it raw, it's fantastic. I can't wait to make this dish. So now that our tuna is cut to a more manageable piece, we're just gonna set it aside for a second, and we're gonna start building our tortilla. So what you wanna do is get a nice flour tortilla, and I'm actually gonna build on top of this because I wanna be able to slide it right onto my plate. So we're just gonna start from the bottom. We're gonna do some guacamole. About 1 tablespoon is good. Spread it around. And now I'm gonna cut my tuna as thin as possible. Now we're gonna thinly start arranging our tuna around the outside and working our way in. Now we're gonna take our spicy mayo and we're gonna drizzle it across like this. Now we're gonna take our seeded jalapenos. We're just gonna make it look really nice, spread them around, not too much. Razor thin red onions. Some black olives now. Our scallions. Our fresh picked cilantro leaves. And our Dude's Everything Bagel seasoning. All right, and you have to do this quick or the tortilla is gonna break. So we're gonna do it in the 4s. 1, 2. And now the reason we move this over like this is so we can slide it directly onto our plate. How awesome does that look, guys? I am totally gonna try this. This is awesome, guys.